What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Thursday. Good morning from Canada here on the East Coast. Just about 10 more days till I leave for Bali. Very, very excited. I'm currently sitting at 94 cents. Some absolutely massive news was released for Matic, causing the pump here. So we're up 9.5 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 8.17 billion. 24-hour volume 1.08 billion. So let's quickly hop into the news, but make sure to sign up to BitGet. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. No VPN required for my US traders. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. This is absolutely huge. Polygon Matic was up around 12% to 96 cents following its partnership announcement with Instagram that will allow the social media platform's creators to mint and sell Polygon-based NFTs. Instagram, one of the world's largest social media platforms. I'm a huge lover of Instagram. Love Instagram Reels. Love to create Reels. Love to watch Reels. So I do think a lot of people will be selling their NFTs through Instagram Reels because, of course, it has the largest reach. So when you think about the scalability influence that these creators have over their audience, I think this is going to be absolutely massive. And the fact that Polygon is the one to do it is going to bring a lot more interest to investors, in my opinion, especially the younger generation who love to use Instagram like myself. You can follow me on IG if you like to. It's in the description, Jax_IGC. I love to create reels myself with my drone and stuff. It's just my personal life, not so much crypto. But it's in the description. Click the link because there are fake accounts that impersonate me and try to scam people out of their money. So let's hop into the charts. We absolutely exploded off our wave 2 pullback zone. So as I mentioned in my videos, when I look to take my trades, I'll have a few entries within the zone here and then ride it up. I didn't take this trade. Currently, I'm in a trade for another coin. But as you can see here, perfect bounce off our wave 2 pullback zone. We had a perfect bounce off this wave 2 pullback zone, and we exploded to the upside. So the wave 3 target is all the way up here at 119. So the smaller wave count is we exploded into a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5 to take you up to 119. Now there is major resistance coming up here in between 103 and 108. So just keep an eye on that. We're back above the EMAs here. So as long as we can hold this yellow box as support, then we can see continuation to the upside. What you can do is take your fib retracement from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top. And ideally, you want to bounce in between the 0.5 and the 0.618, which is like 0.893 and 91 cents. You can come all the way down to the 0.786 at 0.869, but any break below that makes it less likely that's a wave 2 and that you're going to reverse. But as of right now, it's looking healthy for continuation, in my opinion, as long as we can hold this yellow box and see a bounce to the upside. Now looking here on the daily time frame, we've pushed up to 97 cents once again. As you can see, there is a wick rejection here, but Bitcoin is just pulling back just a little bit here, so that's why we're seeing this pullback in Matic. But it does look like, in my opinion, that Matic does want to see continuation. Just waiting on Bitcoin here. Of course, there's a chance of a bearish scenario. We create a double top and we roll over, but as of right now, I'm looking at the bullish scenario playing out. We just had the bullish cross of the EMAs, which usually leads to continuation. And of course, I was telling you guys on the weekly chart, if we can get back above the 55 EMA, currently we're hitting it as resistance. Right now we're squished in between the EMAs. Let me give you some examples here. Now this chart doesn't go far enough back, but as you can see right here, we lost the 20 EMAs. And then we were squished between them. We lost the 55. We dropped down. So now we've pushed back above the 20 EMA. And right now we're in between them. So if we can push back above the 55, that's when you can see that continuation to the upside. Of course, anything can happen. I think upside continuation is more probable. But as I mentioned, if you do come down, start to lose about 0.869, then it makes it less likely it's a wave 2, especially if you come down and break that low, then it invalidates that. But as of right now, with our wave count, what we're looking at here, let me zoom out a little bit, that this was a wave 1. We ABC'd into a very shallow wave 2. and you pushed up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in a wave 3, and there's sub waves, right? So we push up wave 1, wave 2, looking to push up in a wave 3, and then your smaller wave count is a 1 into a 2. Perfect bounce off our wave 2 pullback zone, looking to push up in a wave 3. Smaller wave 3 target. If we were to start to bounce from the current price, let me pop it back open to the 1 hour. You can take your trend base extension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top to the bottom of wave 2, and you would target the 1.618 extension, which is up here at about, all the way up at about $1.19. Now wave 3 can stop shorter, 1.382, even the 1 extension here. So you see wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3. As of right now, we're starting to bounce. I had to take a little bit of break for a phone call, and we have started to see a little bit of bounce here on the 1 hour time frame. So that's it for this little Matic update. Big shout out to BitGet. Make sure to sign up, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, access, and take profits currently in 5 trades. Solana, Sand, ENG, Mana, as well as Gala Games. All signals were given in the Discord under the $10 USD membership. You really can't beat it. Sign up to the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.